Harrison and I, we are at the nature station at Land Between the Lakes in western Kentucky. We'll go a little bit closer here and look at some of these displays. First of all, let's look at these spiders here. We got a brown recluse. Let's see if we can see it there. See it down there, and we've also got a black widow. It's kind of in a web right now. Let's see if I can zoom on that thing. Kind of hard to see because it's in the web. Now we're kind of losing focus. I don't know if we're going to get focused. Oh well, we'll go back here. Hi.
Hi. There's actually babies down here.
Oh, are there babies?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's hard to get a focus on them even with your own eyeballs.
Okay, awesome. I didn't notice what those were.
Yeah. Some of the egg cases, or one of the egg cases, definitely hatched. So.
Okay. Awesome. We got some bird nests here. We got the Carolina wren. Here's what it looks like. Here's a house sparrow. Let's see. Here's an aquarium with some millipedes and snails in it. There we go. We got some more spiders here. We'll let you look at that. Black widow spider. And some more spiders. Okay. Let's see what we got down here. A fallow deer skull. Crawdad chimney crayfish. They call those crawdads. And there's a Carolina chickadee. Oh. We got a duck. Here's a hornet's nest. A bald-faced hornet's nest. And there is the hornet nest pieces. It almost looks kind of like a wasp nest in a way. We've got an armadillo. Here is a woodpecker. We'll take a look at this woodpecker here.
I did give fish tanks.
There we go.
Okay.
Here are some of the butterflies and moths and other types of insects. All right. We have some skulls, an elk skull. There is an elk jaw. That's a buffalo skull. Cool. Look at these antlers here. Those things are huge. Wow. There's some more antlers. A bison horn. Looks like buffalo fur. Cool. Fallow deer antlers. And here's some antlers from white-tailed deer. Alright. Very good. We've got some taxidermied eagles and falcons and things like that. There's an owl right there. Here's a bald eagle.
They're donations and stuff.
Are they all donations?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know that bald eagle that you're filming.
Right,
that
yeah.
one is actually, it was shot by a poacher.
Ah.
And the police caught him
Yeah.
and everything and fined him and everything, but they still had a dead bald eagle. They didn't
Right.
just throw that out in the trash.
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, right. Definitely. It's huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Definitely.
And that's an immature one.
That's an immature.
It's almost mature, but it doesn't quite have the white head.
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah.
They pretty much get their full size in the first year, but then the next 4 years are spent getting that yellow beak and that white head and that white tail.
Okay. Awesome. We have a adult golden eagle here. We'll let you take a look at that. That's an eagle. That looks like it's a golden eagle there also. Let's see here. There's another eagle. Whoop, not quite. There we go. Osprey. There's an osprey. Maybe we can kind of zoom in a little bit here. There's the osprey. And here's another type of owl. And here's some turtle shells here. We'll show you these turtle shells. There's a snapping turtle, a young snapping turtle, and some other types of shells. Oh wow, this is cool. This is an actual taxidermied snapping turtle. Cool. Now, do they got turtles in here? Oh yeah, they do. We'll look at some of these here. Got different types of turtles in there. Cool. What do they got? They got some more turtles over here. Cool. Here's one he's eating. Looks like he's eating some tomato and lettuce. He's eating salad.
I've never seen one that big.
And then there's one over here. Looks like he's trying to hide. One back there is hiding. We've got a skink there. Let's see, some salamanders, an eastern tiger, and a spotted salamander. I can't see it, it's probably hiding. There's some other things over here. We'll show you these. It looks like we've got some small skulls here. We've got some mussel shells used to make buttons, which I've kind of gone over that in my Fort Massac video. There's an old horseshoe, some other types of minerals. We've got some fossils here. I've seen those type of fossils before. There's a lot of those. Oh wow, check these out. Look at this one out. It's pretty cool. Corals. Other types of fossils. I've seen some like this before. And there's some down there too. Alright. Very good. Here are some of the snakes indigenous to this area. We've got a timber rattlesnake right there. Here's a copperhead.
Here's a snake question.
Okay, so the copperhead, cottonmouth. It's in the water there. A black king snake.
Like a
Ooh,
caterpillar will move because it reaches forward and pulls its back.
you can see it back there. Let's see here. There's a milk snake down there. See that milk snake? Here's another one.
Ethan's one.
See what kind you see. There's a rat snake.
Felix crunchy ears.
Outside.
Alright. Here are some more taxidermied animals. We got a beaver here. Look at his tail there. That's a big one. Okay. We got another beaver. Looks like he's getting ready to attack. I have no idea. What are these things, Harrison? Doesn't say.
It looks sort of like otters
Otters? It probably is. We've got a duck back there.
up there.
Another otter.
Stuff.
There's a wildcat. Got a wildcat. A fox. A groundhog. A skunk. Some ducks. Oh, a mink. We've got a mink and a baby
Things they're cute.
and some other types of ducks. These are flying squirrels. You can see how tiny they are there. Really tiny. And we've also, look, check this out, it's an albino raccoon. Alright.